Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome offers a fresh take on what it means to travel in style. Designed for people who expect supercar DNA in every aspect of their existence, this futuristic motorhome blends Lamborghini's iconic Italian flair with state-of-the-art luxury and performance. Design and plan for the outside drawing influence from the Aventador and the Revuelto. The campervan's bold and aerodynamic design is in line with Lamborghini's long-standing legacy. Its cutting lines, Y-shaped LED lighting, strong front fascia, and scissor-style entrance doors all add to the unique Lamborghini adrenaline that is evident while driving. Because it is constructed with lightweight carbon fiber panels and adaptive aerodynamics, it appears to be faster even while parked. Powertrain. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine connected to electric motors. This engine, which is under the hood, or rather the floor, produces over 1,000 horsepower. It can provide incredible agility and stability, whether it is parked on a snowy mountainside or traveling on the Autobahn, thanks to its adjustable air suspension and all-wheel drive system. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by a blend of racing-inspired elegance and smart home technology. The interior of the cabin has carbon fiber and Alcantara finishes, as well as ambient LED lighting and customizable color schemes. Some of the more noteworthy amenities are a fully furnished kitchen with Italian marble countertops and smart appliances, a panoramic roof, and a master suite with a king-size bed. The living lounge consists of a retractable OLED TV, surround sound, and an augmented reality driving projection wall. An opulent bathroom with heated floors, touch-activated glass, and a rainforest shower. Features and technology. Voice-activated controls, terrain adaptability, and AI-assisted route planning are all made possible by Lamborghini's own LIVE/DRIVE technology. When driving on a highway, the autonomous driving mode is usable. By installing solar panels on the roof, off-grid sustainability is accomplished. A reasonably compact electric Lamborghini scooter or electric bicycle can fit in the onboard garage. Additionally, the availability. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to start at $2.5 million USD and will be produced in limited quantities. The car can be customized through the Lamborghini Ad Personam program. In the later part of 2025, delivery to a select group of clients is expected to begin.